Good morning, everybody. Happy Easter Sunday. I woke up an hour earlier than what I usually do because I wanted to be home before my children woke up. So yes, because then they're like, Mom. So yes, I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I know a lot of you will not be couponing today, which is totally fine, but I'm just ready to share with you guys all the deals. My store is currently closed right now, so I'm gonna have to figure out what I want to do. But I'm gonna go inside in a little bit, and I'm gonna share with you guys some deals that we can do. So here is a great deal if you guys want to stock up on cereal. Now every time I buy cereal, usually a Catalina prints off, sometimes before my transaction even starts. So usually it is like $1.50 off of 3 if you guys want that Catalina. Most of the time it does print off. But otherwise, these are $1.99 for the General Mills cereal. We got some other flavors. You guys are going to get 2 of them. Now you can get, it says right here, $1 off of 2. It says Cheerios, Lucky Charms, or Reese's Puffs. There might be other flavor. Yeah, it's right there. You guys can get 2 boxes of cereal. You would pay $2.98. But then we have some Ibotta rebates. We got 50 cents for Lucky Charms, 50 cents for Trix or Cocoa Puffs, 50 cents for Chex Mix if your store carries that, 50 cents for Cheerios. So you get $1 back with Ibotta, making these just $1.98 or 99 cents each, which is a great stock up price if you guys need some cereal. So here we have the Scott's paper towels. We also have the Scott's toilet paper, but these are $5, you guys. We currently have a $1 off digital coupon for the paper towels, and then we also have a $1.25 coupon or IVC coupon. You guys would just get these for just $2.75 for the paper towels. And then there's also a, if it's gonna load, there is also a $1 coupon for the toilet paper, making these again $1 or $2.75. Now there is a deal with Fetch Rewards if you bought 3 items where you get like 75 cents back, but still a pretty good deal if you guys need those. So here's a Splenda deal if you guys need some Splenda. So this is not on sale, but it is $5.29. We currently have a $2 off digital coupon that you guys will use. You will pay $3.29, but then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta where you'll get $2 back, making this just $1.29, which is a pretty great deal. So here's some food deals. We have these Bumblebee seafood packets for 3 for $4. If you guys need some food, we currently have 15-cent Ibotta rebates for the packets. Then we have the chunk tuna in the cans, 3 for $3. And then you get also 15 cents back if you guys want to buy those. So decent deal if you guys need some tuna. So here's a great deal for the L'Oreal Elle Vibe. These are on sale this week, 2 for $9. Now I currently have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, or there is a 3 off of 2, or there is a 3 off of 2 printable coupon. So you guys can use this. You can actually buy 4 of them in the same transaction if you want to do it. But we're gonna do the 4 off of 2 digital coupon, and then we'll also have a IVC coupon for $2 off of 2. So $9, you'll get $6 off, making these $3 or just $1.50 each. If you guys need some L'Oreal Elle Vibe, I think that's a pretty decent deal considering how the prices keep going up. It's a pretty decent deal. So here we have the Dove shampoo and conditioner on sale, 3 for $12, but then we currently have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon, making these just $7 or $2.33 each if you guys like some Dove shampoo. So here is an okay deal. We have the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner and the whole blends, 2 for $8. Now we currently have we have insert coupons, but we also have these 2 digital coupons for 3 off of 2. You would end up getting these for $5 or just $2.50 each, which is an okay deal if you guys need some shampoo or conditioner. This is just a weird deal, but if you guys need some candy, they do have some box theater candy, 4 for $4. Skittles, Starburst, and M&Ms if you guys need some of that. We're going to a movie in a couple days, so I like to bring some snacks for the kids. So if you guys like the Tide Simply, these are 3 for $8 along with the pods. I have a 50-cent off digital coupon for the pods, not the liquid though. But then we also have the Downy that is 3 for $8, the Unstoppables that is 3 for $8, and the Bounce for 3 for $8. So you can mix and match however you want to go, but you can buy 3 of them, use one of those pods coupons for 50 cents. Ends up becoming like $7.50 or $2.50 each, which is a pretty decent deal. So here we have the Airwick oils for $6.49. We currently have a buy one get one free digital coupon. You guys would just basically get 2 of them for $6.49. That is basically $3.24 each, which is a pretty decent deal if you guys need some Airwick. Another thing is, if your store has candles, definitely check out your prices. They're only marked down like a couple bucks, but if you guys love candles, definitely check them out. Just saying. So here's some deals for you guys. We have the Nasonex, the 120 sprays for $29.99. It's currently on sale for buy one, get one free. Now there was a $10 off digital coupon, but it's not available anymore. But you could submit your receipt to the coupons.com app and you guys can get $10 back. So here's the situation. You pay $29.99, you submit your receipt to the $10 back from the coupons.com. You'll get this for $19.99, but there's a deal where if you buy 2, you get a $5 register reward, making them just $14.99 or $7.49 each if you guys want to do this. These are on sale right now for $4 off, so I think that's $17.99 for that. So we got those for $17.99. You're gonna buy 2 of them. We currently have a $7 off digital coupon through the Walgreens app, or there is actually 2 $7 off coupons from the coupons.com app if you guys want to do it that way. If you see it right there. So you'll pay $35.98, you'll get $14 back with coupons.com, making it $21.98, but then you get a $5 register reward, making both of those $8.49. So if you guys need some Nasonex, it's a pretty okay deal. So here's an awesome deal that I love to do. These are more than 50% off. These are originally $6.79 down to $2.98 for the whole cashews, you guys. But if you need some, these are definitely a great price. My kids eat these up like crazy, but definitely stock up if you guys need some. So here we have the L'Oreal Revitalift for $6.99. It is buy one get one 40% off. I currently have a $5 off digital coupon, so you guys can get this for just $1.99. I also have a $2 off coupon, so if you wanted to buy 2, you could use both of those digitals. But $1.99, it's an okay deal if you guys want to go ahead and do that. So every store is different, but the Reese's Pretzels Big Cup, these are not marked at my store, but they might be 29 cents at your store. These might be on clearance too, but these are ringing up regular price. These are ringing up 29 cents, so definitely price check your stuff to see if you guys can get some stuff for clearance. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Yes, I got home and my children were awake a lot earlier than what they usually do, but they patiently just waited. They must have just woke up right before I got home, but I let them open their Easter baskets, and we haven't done the eggs yet, but right now they're just chilling, watching a movie, wait for Daddy to wake up. But I hope you guys are having an awesome Easter. So we are ready to dig in. It is not a great week for couponing, so if you guys need to take a break, definitely go ahead and do it. But it was so sad looking at all the Easter stuff and nothing's on sale because it goes on clearance tomorrow, Monday. Most of it will pretty much go 50% off, but I don't know. I usually wait till it goes even cheaper, but we will see what we want. I'm like peeped out. It's crazy. But let's just dig in and I can share with you guys what I got. I ended up getting the Scott's toilet paper, or paper towels. I have so much toilet paper, it is ridiculous. Like underneath my stairs is where we keep all my paper products. I have stuff to last me years. That's how much I have. But paper towels we go through a lot more faster. But these were $5 this week. There is a IVC booklet coupon for $1.25, and then there is a dollar coupon, dollar digital coupon that you guys would get, making this just $3.75. $3.75, which is a pretty good deal, you know. And these paper towels are pretty decent. I'm not complaining. I actually really enjoy them. So we got that. I ended up getting some cereal. I got some Lucky Charms, and I did get some Cheerios. The coupon did not print. I did not get a General Mills coupon. Usually it does. Every single time it does, but this time I didn't, and that is okay. But these were $1.99. There is a $1 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You would pay $2.98, but then there is a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta and a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making these just $1.98 or 99 cents each, which is a great, great deal for cereal. Considering how much stuff is going up in price, that is crazy. And usually these boxes of cereal, they're like maybe 4 or 5 days of breakfast. So, you know, if you guys need to stock up, definitely go ahead and do it. I did, like I said, we are going to a movie. I'm keeping it quiet. We haven't told my kids yet, but I am going to a movie on Tuesday. So we got these for the kids for us to have. These were 4 for $4, which is a great deal, and it is cheaper than the Dollar Tree. So definitely go ahead and get some candy if you guys have a hankering for some candy. And then I ended up getting 10 of these, you guys. These were clearanced out for 29 cents. I checked the candy aisle. My store has candy in several different sections. They have it over in the candy aisle. Then when you go into the checkout lane, they have they have all their candy right in front of the checkouts, and then behind you there's another candy section, and then there's another candy section as you're entering the checkouts. So every time I'm looking for something, I just gotta look by the registers all over the place because I can find these, but they have these in one spot. Now this is the pretzel big cups on clearance for 29 cents. So I ended up getting 10 of these because my husband likes Reese's, and he's a big he likes pretzels. I don't know if he likes both of these combined, but for 29 cents, you can't go wrong. So I bought 10 of them. I know, but you know what? My store still had a ton of them, so can't go wrong with that. I would say get a bunch of them for Christmas or for Halloween, but these expire in August, so it wouldn't be any good. I also got some of these nuts for us. I love the honey roasted. These are so delicious. And then the husband likes the sea salt, and the kids will eat both of these. So for $2.98, you cannot go wrong with some nuts. And then I also ended up getting the L'Oreal Elvive, the shampoo and conditioner. My store finally had some of this stuff in stock. But these were 2 for $9. I had a 4 off of 2 coupon and a 2 off of 2 coupon, making these just $3 or $1.50. And this is a shampoo and conditioner that I am currently using right now. I really like the smell, and I really like the product. My hair is dry. It doesn't help with like the frizziness, but my hair is always frizzy. But I really like this stuff, and purple's my favorite color. So this is what I have been currently using, and I am down to the very last where it starts making a noise. Yeah? Okay. Anyways, my total came to $13.88. Now, I did pay with register rewards, so I hardly had to pay anything, but I don't factor that in my price. But $13.88 I got for all that stuff, you guys. I ended up getting $5.15 for spending $25, and I did pay with points, but apparently I might have had more coupons to equal $25, but I did get $5.15 back with points. For Ibotta, I did receive $1 back. That was for the 2 boxes of General Mills cereal. And then Fetch Rewards, I received 132 points, which is 13 cents. Now, I was told in my Walmart video that Fetch is no longer what it is. It is, but it isn't. It just depends on what you redeem your points for. I was looking at some points, and if you want to redeem like $25, it's more than 25 points, but then there's some that are worth 25 points. So it's just hard to say, but I'm still going to continue just saying for Fetch Reward is every 1,000 points is $1. It's just easier that way. because everybody gets different redemptions. I know majority of us get like Walmart, but everybody can get it in different ways. So I'm still going to continue to saying like 1,000 points equals $1. So just want to give you guys a heads up with that. But my total for everything came to be $7.06. I got 21 items at 36 cents each. So pretty great deal. Can't go wrong with the paper towels and the cereal, and I really needed to get more shampoo and conditioner, and can't go wrong with candy. Can't go wrong with that stuff, and then the husband will be a super excited person for that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a great big thumbs up. Hope you guys have an awesome Easter if you're watching this on Sunday, and I hope you guys have an awesome week. We are getting warm weather this week. Went from like 20 degrees to one day to we'll be getting 76 sometime later this week. I am so excited for that. So hopefully you guys get some nice weather. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys again later. Bye-bye.